About this time every year, a lot of very smart people suggest whole lists of New Year's resolutions. You could even consider it a cottage industry or a rite of passage. I have generally abstained from this ritual because most New Year's resolutions will likely be abandoned by the end of the second week. However, this year, there is one I would wholeheartedly support, and that is fight the temptation to rely on luck. Imagine moving from gut feelings and luck to having AI-powered insights that tell you exactly what's working and why. This is your host, Zachary Alexander, Agentic AI Explorer. Today, we will show you how combining KPIs with Agentic AI will revolutionize and safeguard your business decision-making process. And here's the thing. This isn't just about another tech trend, another item on a long list of shiny new objects. This is about giving your business the kind of analytical power and rigor that used to be reserved for corporations with big teams of data analysts. So just to give you the lay of the land, there was a time when people prided themselves on making decisions based purely on their gut feelings. However, a funny thing happens when managers and executives are playing with other people's money. They take risks. Depending on how high up in the food chain they are, the bigger risks. They feel entitled to use their titles to play Russian roulette with the company's future. Now, companies are changing, and the era of basic matrices has reached a plateau. Rabbit hole alert. Let's back away from the topic of matrix in general. Let's save unit economics and net dollar retention discussions for another episode. We'll use this one to talk about why KPIs aren't just numbers on a spreadsheet or objects in your task management system. They're your window into higher dimensional data about your business. Think of KPIs as a lens that brings a different perspective of your business into focus. For example, let's talk about the customer as higher dimensional business data. Unfortunately, at this point, we need to take a brief detour to talk about what is higher dimensional business data. Higher dimensional business data, like KPI, refer to information with multiple attributes and variables for each matrix, like satisfaction scores, lifetime value, acquisition costs, retention rates. They all represent a dimension in the data space associated with the customer. While we can easily visualize 2D or 3D data, business data often has higher dimensions, making it more complex to analyze but rich in insights. For example, responses from Claude and other LLM are basically configured for 1,536 dimensions. These multiple dimensions allow businesses to discover hidden patterns and correlations between different performance matrices that might not be apparent when looking at each KPI in isolation. Now imagine expanding KPIs to other parts of your business like operations. Operational KPIs could include process efficiency, resource utilization, quality, and my favorite, time to value. Let's not stop there. What about account data that could include financial dimensions like revenue patterns, profit margins, cash flow, and return on investment? Last but not least, let's talk about market dimensions. Competitive positioning, market share, brand sentiment, and industry trends. Imagine the opportunity spaces, read as competitive advantages, that KPIs will allow you to develop. Let that sink in, but not too long because we're not done yet. This year is going to be the start of the agentic AI revolution. And because of KPIs, you will be able to build agentic AI agents that can do real-time analysis, autonomously handle alerts, provide predictive trend analysis, and log why they took the action they took. I'll stop there because we could just as easily talk about intelligent insights like how to use weather data and automatic action planning. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see additional videos on this topic. Now let's talk practical examples. An agentic AI could take over your customer success function. The AI agent could continuously monitor product usage patterns and engagement matrix, and automatically track key milestones in the customer journey, identify early warning signs of customer churn. According to Frog, the customer success platform, Live Help Now, using non-agentic AI tech to increase retention rates from 77 to 99% over a year. Imagine using agentic AI agents to send loyalty gifts and gamification awards to customers showing signs of churn. Additionally, non-agentic personalized onboarding and proactive customer support have been shown to improve retention rates. Bonjoro's team, for example, use personalized video messages to welcome new users, leading to a 14% reduction in the 0 to 3 month churn. Now, I'm not sure if you're familiar with what happens with subscriptions, but the most important time frame is at 0 to 3 months, because a lot of people churn during that time frame. They say, okay, I'll just try this out. But before they actually see any results, they churn. So it's up to you or the agentic agent to figure out how to reduce that churn by engaging them, by sending them a gift, by doing whatever you have to do, including standing on your head or having the agent do so, in order to ensure that that customer sticks around. Imagine using an agentic agent to create and schedule remedial training for accounts where customers have missed some core concept. Rather than waiting on the heated call, the agentic agent figures out what the customers have missed and goes about providing them with the information they need. Since you've hung around, let's discuss creating a simple KPI implementation playbook to get the ball rolling. First, start by aligning your business strategy. Generally, I'm a big fan of OKRs, Object Key Results. I think they help promote radical focus. Once again, let's save discussion of OKRs versus other alignment strategies for a separate video. Let's just say that you and your team have agreed upon some company alignment strategy and will endeavor to complete that process. Next, define your core matrices or business dimensions. For example, customer success, financial performance, operational efficiency, market performance, employee performance. Next, select the initial KPIs. Choose 3 to 5 matrices per area or dimension to avoid being overwhelmed too early. Also, there are tons of available resources to help you select KPIs when you want to go down that rabbit hole. Finally, document the current processes and procedures. Also, show how they align and support the KPIs you've developed. You don't have to be an all-inclusive. Introducing the agentic AI agent will clean up a lot of the loose ends. Make this the year you choose higher dimensional data over luck. With KPIs and agentic AI working together, you can transform your business from hoping for success to engineering it. Your wallet will thank you for it. Remember, this isn't about replacing your business intuition. It's about enhancing it with powerful, data-driven insights that help you make better decisions faster. If you're looking to survive the agentic AI revolution with your business intact, hit subscribe and the notification bell to stay updated on stories and practical strategies from the Agentic AI Express.